Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add your website link on Cara art and uh, social application. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the right bottom corner on your screen. It's called a profile icon. So I'm just going to tap here and then tap on the edit profile. Then scroll down, then here you'll see the option website. So you can add any kind of link here, like website link, social media link, YouTube channel link, anything. For example, if you add your website, then you have to give your website name and then .com and simply tap on the save. So loading, it's take few moments to adding on your account. So if you want to check how it looks like, then you can see it's your website. I just give the for tutorial purpose. So this way you can add your website link on Cara application. So friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.